Namaste, welcome back or welcome to my channel Mandali Yoga. My name is Ryan. I'll be guiding you through your practice today. So today's practice is a 20-minute vinyasa full body flow and it's a unique sequence. We'll combine standing poses, balancing poses and prone poses or flow poses all in one sequence, and then we'll come back to rest towards the end. To begin with, let's start in Tadasana or mountain pose. So bring the big toes to touch or heels apart, or if that's uncomfortable you can bring your legs, feet to be hip width apart. Now a hip width is basically two fists put together. That's a hip width. You can measure it and check if you like. And then as we come into Tadasana, as we ground on our feet onto the mat or the ground, bring the hands by your side, let the palms face the front, close the eyes and gently relax the shoulders away from the eyes. And we begin to take a few grounding breaths as we establish connection with the mat. And all four corners of the feet connected with the mat, lifting the kneecaps gently, engage the pelvic floor, draw the lower belly in, chin parallel to the floor, and imagine there's a string pulling the crown of the head towards the sky. We stay here for 3 more breaths. Softly opening our eyes as we go through 2 rounds of Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation. So coming to the top of the mat. On the inhale, hands go towards the sky. Exhale, hands to heart center. Fold all the way down. Halfway lift. Fold forward. Step back. High plank. Go through our flow. High to low plank. Cobra or up dog will meet in down dog. Again in high plank, and lower your knees anytime you feel like support on the mat. Inhale, left leg lifts. Exhale, step it through between your hands, runner's lunge. Right foot steps forward to meet the left, halfway lift, Ardha Uttanasana. Forward fold, Uttanasana. Rise up, reach up, Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, hands to heart center as we come all the way down. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Step back, high plank, Kumbhakasana. Knees down or not, high to low plank, Chaturanga Dandasana. Up dog, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Transition to down dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. On the inhale, right leg goes towards the sky. On the exhale, step it through between your hands, runner's lunge. Left hand comes down, right hand goes to the sky, easy twist. Can you straighten the knee on the back leg? Make it strong, don't let the right hip jut out of the mat. Keep it aligned with the right knee. 1 more breath. Bring the right hand down, turn the back foot at 90 degrees. As we open up into Virabhadrasana 2, Warrior 2. Look straight ahead, right knee above the right ankle, ground down through all 4 corners of the back foot. 1 more breath here. Turn all toes towards the front. Right hand lands inside the right foot. Take the right foot to the outer edge of the mat. Drop the right hand down. Drop the left knee down. Untuck the toes. Lizard lunge. Uttan Pristhasana. Gaze to the top of the mat. 1 more breath. Tuck the toes on the back leg. Lift the back leg. And step it on the outside of the left hand. Sit in Malasana, Yogi squat. Tailbone descends towards the floor and the crown of the head being pulled by a string towards the sky. 1 more breath. Bring the fingertips to the mat, wide-legged, forward fold as we lift the hips towards the sky. Inhale, sit in a squat. Exhale, rise up. Inhale, sit in your squat. Exhale, rise up. 1 last time. Inhale, sit in your squat. Exhale, rise up. From here, Heel toe your feet together, knees together, sit in chair pose. Utkatasana. Zip the inner thighs together, let the tailbone descend towards the floor. Biceps frame the ears. Bring the hands to heart center as you come to stand. Ground down on your right foot. Left foot on the inside of the right leg. Tree pose, Vrikshasana. Find your gaze, find your concentration. One more breath here. Pull the left knee into the chest place. And then pendulum swing it towards the back of the mat, returning the foot towards the back of the mat. Right knee stacks above the right ankle. Hands come down. We're going to step back into high plank first. And then lower both knees to the mat. Untuck the toes. Come all the way down until the forehead meets the mat. Thinking of bow pose or Dhanurasana. Bend the left knee. Grab hold of the left foot with the left hand. Bend the right knee. Grab hold of the right foot with the right hand. And then slowly lift the forehead of the mat, the torso, the knees, and then the thighs. Pressing the pubic bone into the mat and gazing at one spot ahead of us. Stay here for an inhale and an exhale. And then come back down, body nice and long as the hands come next to the upper ribs. And with or without the knees, come up into a high plank. And then from here we go through a vinyasa. High to low plank, cobra or up dog. We will meet in down dog. Fantastic. One more side to go. Inhale, left leg goes towards the sky. Exhale, step it through between your hands, runner's lunge. Right hand down, left hand peels open towards the sky. Can you straighten the back knee, make it super strong in the back leg as well. One more breath here. Left hand comes down. Turn the back foot at 90 degrees. Prepare for Virabhadrasana 2, Warrior 2. As you windmill your arms into Warrior 2. Left hand to the future, right hand to the past. Use your core to keep you lifted. Ground down through all four corners of your back foot. Stay here for one more breath. Come down. As all toes face the front, prepare for lizard lunge on this side. Left foot heel to the left foot to the outer edge of the mat. Drop the right knee, untuck the toes. Gaze to the top of the mat. Stay here for one more breath. Tuck the toes on the right leg, lift the right knee, step the right foot on the outside of the right hand. Sit in Yogi Squat, Malasana. So maybe all toes face the front. Maybe a slight V with the feet. And if the body is still not happy, we can even grab hold of the outer edges of the mat and lift the hips up slightly. And then from wherever you are, bring the fingertips on the mat. Meet me in a wide-legged forward fold. Inhale, squat. Finger pads on the mat. Exhale, rise up. Inhale, squat. Exhale, rise up. One last breath. Inhale, squat. Exhale, rise up. Heel to your feet until the feet touch, knees together. Sit in chair pose. And now in chair pose, if feet together is uncomfortable, you can always bring them at hip width. Remember, yoga can always be modified to suit your body. Bring the hands to heart center, come to rise up. And then we're going to bring the right foot on the inside of the left leg, tree pose on this side, Vrikshasana. Train your concentration, train your gaze or drishti. One more breath here. And slowly bringing the right knee into the chest, pendulum swing the leg back and return it towards the back of the mat. Left knee ends up above the left ankle. Hands come down. We're going to step back in high plank. Lower both knees to the mat. Untuck the toes, come all the way down. Prepare for bow pose or Dhanurasana. So holding on to the left and right foot with the left and right hands respectively. And then raising our body as we press the pubic bone into the mat. Looking straight ahead. And maybe the shoulder blades seek each other. As we kick the feet into the hands and the hands try to pull the heels towards the glutes. One more breath. And then slowly return to the mat. Hands come next to our upper ribs. With or without the knees, come into a high plank. And then your choice, high to low plank, cobra or up dog. We will meet in down dog. Stay here for one more breath. We move to the same sequence a little bit faster this time. On the inhale, right leg goes towards the sky. On the exhale, step it through between your hands, runner's lunge. Left hand down, right hand to the sky. Easy twist. Look to the right hand side of the fingertips of your right hand. Bring the right hand down. Turn the back foot at 90 degrees. Transition to Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2. Feeling strong, feeling calm. Let the tailbone descend towards the floor. One more breath here. And then transition to Lizard Lunge. Heel toe the right foot to the outer edge of the mat. And in Lizard Lunge this time, you can either drop the knees or option to keep your knee off the mat. Take the right hand, place it outside the right foot. Right shoulder under the right knee, look to the top of the mat. Stay here for one more breath. And then bring the right hand back in. Step the left foot forward as we sit in Malasana, Yogi squat. Hands come down. Inhale, rise. Exhale, squat. 2 more times. Inhale, rise. Exhale, squat. One last time. Inhale, rise. Exhale, squat. And then rise one more time. Heel to the feet together. Sit in chair pose. Utkatasana. If you can't see your toes, push your hips towards the back of the room slightly. Bring the hands to heart center. As you come to stand, bring your left knee with you. Transition to tree pose. Vrikshasana. Bring the left knee into the chest. Slowly kick it all the way back. Return the foot to the mat. Hands come down. Step back. High plank. Knees down. Come all the way down. Transition to bow pose. Lift the body off the mat. Return the forehead to the mat. Legs go long. Hands come next to the upper ribs. Push up into high plank. And then go through your floor or straight to down dog. The floor is always optional. You can always go straight to down dog. Inhale, left leg lifts towards the sky. Exhale, step it through between your hands. Runner's lunge. Right hand down, left hand peels open to the sky. Make the back leg super strong. Bring the left hand down. Turn the right foot at 90 degrees. Open up. Warrior 2. One more breath. And then slowly come into Lizard Lunge. Left foot outer edge of the mat. And then keep the back knee lifted. You can drop it if you like to. Otherwise, left hand comes outside the mat, outside the left foot. Left shoulder under the left knee. Coming back to center. Step forward into Yogi squat. Fingertips come down. Inhale, forward fold. Exhale, squat. Inhale, forward fold. Exhale, squat. One last time. Inhale. Exhale, squat. And then one more time, rising up. Heel to the feet together. We sit in chair pose. Last chair pose for the practice, I promise. Bring the hands to heart center as we come to rise up. Right foot inside the left leg, tree pose, Vrikshasana. Pull the right knee into the chest. Slowly kick it back. Return the right foot to the back of the mat. Hands come down, step back, high plank. Lower the knees to the mat, untuck the toes, come all the way down. Bow pose. As we lift up the entire body except the pubic bone. One more breath. Come back down, hands next to the upper ribs. Push up, high plank. Go through your flow. High to low plank, cobra or up dog. We will meet in down dog. And taking child's pose for a few breaths. Balasana. As the forehead meets the mat. And then from here, coming into a seat with our legs long. And then slowly coming to lie down onto the mat. And as we come to lie down onto the mat, we bring both knees into the chest. Rock from side to side if that feels good. And we drop both knees to the left hand side. Hands come out in a T. Gaze over the right shoulder or towards the ceiling, your choice. Coming back to center, hug both knees into the chest. And then drop both knees to the right hand side. Gaze over the left shoulder or towards the ceiling, you decide. If it feels good, you can even close your eyes. Coming back to center, as you hug both knees into the chest. Return the feet to the mat with the knees pointing to the sky. Left ankle over the right knee. Interlace the fingers behind the right knee. Reclining pigeon. So the shin is parallel to the floor. And return the right foot to the mat. Undo the figure four. And this time placing the right ankle over the left knee. Interlace the fingers behind the left knee. Return the head to the mat. Reclining pigeon on this side. Return the left foot to the mat. Extend both legs long as they find the corners of the mat. Hands come to rest by your side. Shavasana, your final resting pose. I will wake you up when it's time. Making gentle movements with your fingers and your toes. Slowly rolling over to your favorite side, using your arm as a cushion under your ear. And then mindfully coming up into a seat with your eyes closed. Bring the hands to heart center as the thumbs press against the sternum. One soft inhale. One soft exhale. We bring the thumbs to third eye center, to our lips and to our heart. From my heart to yours, Namaste. Thank you for practicing with me. I'm very grateful, and if you enjoyed the practice, I'll appreciate if you could please like the video and subscribe to my channel Mindfully Yoga. And wherever you're in the world today, have a great morning, awesome afternoon or an amazing evening. Until then, I will see you soon on the mat. Namaste.